All right, what's up, guys? So this morning I was looking at CLSN, but then this thing took a huge dump. It was two stocks, CLSN and let's pull this one up here. So this one took a huge dump this morning, so I was like, okay, this one's not gonna probably make it above go time. So I decided to just switch over to the next one to see what it's doing. I thought this was gonna make a red to green move, but then I started looking at RETO and those were the top two. So I'm watching for volume to kick in. As you can see, volume started kicking in. I jumped in. Now this one became very choppy, but it's a lot of volume kicking in. So I decided to just hang on to it for a little bit to see what it's gonna do. Obviously, if it starts tanking below the $3 mark, I'm just gonna try to get out quick. But I was pretty confident in this one because of the volume. You can see the volume is still going up. Um, So I'm watching it. I'm watching it. I'm watching it. So now this candle just closed out, dipped down a little bit real quick, but it's still above VWAP. So, um, I think the buyers are still in control. Again, when it's above VWAP, buyers are in control. I could have sold right there, but I was expecting a bigger move. I was trying to see if it goes above there, and because it didn't do that, I sold. And of course, as soon as I sold, it went above it. So I decided maybe I should jump back in. Let me jump back in for the break above here, this resistance level here, and try to sell it closer to go time. So I'm watching for it to go back above this level so I could jump back in. Boom, I'm in, and waiting for a pop. And as soon as it popped, I got out, and that was it. And of course, it continues to go without me. So I only took those two trades. Um, that was it. You guys can see I jumped in at 310, sold at 320, and then I jumped back in at 338, sold at 348, quick 800 bucks, and that was it for today. That was it for today. So I'm gonna try to keep these videos a little bit shorter. I think when I do it like this, it's a little bit quicker. Of course, you guys, if you guys don't have trade ideas, you know, here's trade ideas. How am I finding these stocks? Trade ideas. Um, I click on this every morning, and boom, um, my morning. It's telling me exactly what's happening in the morning. So um, it's pretty simple as long as you make sure these stocks fit your criteria. All you got to do is start waiting for volume to kick in. I typically wait for. I should. This would have been a better entry, but I don't know. All the volume that kicked in over here. Did I close this thing out? I guess I closed it out. I'm not gonna go back in. All right. So basically, once volume started kicking in, that's when I decided to just feel confident in jumping. You could see the volume level between here and then there, and then over here it started really skyrocketing. So that's why I jumped back in and then jumped back out. So other than that, it was pretty quick. Um, it was pretty quick. Um, so again, how am I finding them? Trade ideas, and I'm just waiting for volume to kick in. Typically, I'm trading above go time, but if it's a slow day, of course, I'm just watching these pullbacks. And as soon as I think that they're about to start making new highs, I'm gonna jump in. And then as soon as they pop, I'm selling. And this one just happened to be a lot stronger than I thought. So I missed a little bit. I could have sold a little bit, further, but you know, it is what it is. You can't win big every day. So 800 bucks under 2 minutes. It's not so bad. A lot of people, take them two. It takes 2 weeks for them to make a $800 paycheck, and some people are unemployed right now. So it's very difficult out there. So, anyways, I'm gonna keep this one short. I'll chat with you guys on the next one. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, Trade Ideas link is below. If you guys don't have this scanner, you might want to go ahead and get it. It's very important to have Trade Ideas if you plan on trading, um, day trading. So it's very important. All right, guys. I'll chat with you guys another day. I know I said I'm supposed to post some real estate um, deals up for you guys, and I'm gonna probably do that soon. I'm just trying to get the right deal. I'm working on a couple deals right now, and if I can close on them, I don't like telling about the deals before I close on them because people will watch your videos and then they'll go around your back and try to snake you. So I don't like posting stuff before when it comes to the real estate. I don't like posting what I'm doing before. Now after the deal is closed, or if it's in, if all parties already signed documents, at that point then I feel comfortable posting about it. But when it comes to the real estate, I have to actually close on these deals before I post them up. So I am working on a few of them right now. Hopefully I'll post a video soon. But we'll see what happens, man. You never know. Stocks is the daily money. Stocks is everyday money. In and out, you're making money. Real estate, you know, it's not daily money. So, I try to close 1 to 3 deals every month, but I'll be honest, some months I don't close 3 deals. So, but then every now and then I'll get a nice fat deal that makes up for the past um couple deals that I didn't do. So real estate is like ups and down. Um, it's not consistent every day. Now with the day trading for me, thankfully I have a strategy, and I follow that strategy, and I'm mostly consistent with the day trading. So that's why the day trading brings in more, and it's more consistent for me. Um, but yeah, I gotta start posting more real estate videos. So I'm probably gonna try to, even if it's not a deal, I'm gonna because the other day I was brainstorming, and I came up with this brilliant idea, which I'm probably gonna record a video and then post that video, um, as far as um, generating leads and putting deals under contract. So I might do that. But again, I'm not a YouTuber, so I just post videos randomly. If you guys want me to post a specific video, comment below, because I don't I don't have like a bunch of ideas. I'm more like you know, I'm like a post as you go kind of guy, like every now and then I'll just post something. I don't really have like a lot of ideas. I'm pretty busy sometimes, and then I just don't have a lot of ideas to post about videos. So if you guys can give me some ideas, because I don't know what you guys want to learn. If you guys want to learn a specific thing, go ahead and comment, like, and then I can make that video. But I don't typically come up with video ideas. Like if someone asks me a question, then I'll go ahead and do it. I don't typically just off the top of my head come up with content. There's people out there, they can come up with content, or they could talk all day. Me, I just I'm a quiet guy, so I just like to do deals in private. Um, some people are like that. Some people enjoy making money in private, and then some people enjoy, you know, being out there. Me, I'm not like an out there person, but I do deals quietly. I enjoy doing my deals quietly. Some people enjoy peace and quiet, and that's what I do. All right, guys. I'm not gonna make this one long. I'll chat with you guys another day. Like and subscribe.